Brisk walking is as important as taking medicine or dieting for a diabetic patient. But most patients are unable to walk because walking causes severe pain in their legs and severe fatigue is felt. Reasons. Number 1. Vitamin B12 deficiency from eating sugar pills for a long time. Number 2. Lack of calcium in the body. Number 3. Lack of vitamin D in the body. Number 4. Uncontrolled sugar. Number 5. Insulin resistance. Number 6. Magnesium deficiency. Now we will tell you how diabetics can walk briskly. How they can increase their stamina. Number 1. Take a brisk 20-minute walk for the first few days. Then gradually increase the duration by 5 or 10 minutes and make it a routine of walking for an hour. Number 2. Instead of walking for an hour a day, you can walk for 40 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes after 2 hours of dinner. Number 3. Be sure to take multivitamins with your medicine. Number 4. Use dry fruits, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, melon and pumpkin seeds in moderation in your diet. Number 5. Keep your sugar under control. If you like our video, please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel Healthcare. Allah Hafiz.